Are you eating yogurt? Is it good? Look at the big boy feeding himself. Mmm. Good job. Are you using your spoon? Can you say spoon? Spoon. Where's Mama? Here I am. Is that good? You say, mmm. Yeah. Scoop it up. There you go. Good job. You're going to be such a big boy. Oh my goodness. And tell us the words that you've learned lately. Can you say hot? Hot. How about cup? Cup. How about dog? Dog. Cat? Cat. Dada? Mama. Mama? Mama. Ball? How about ball? Cracker? Cracker. 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 Good job. You say ball? Ball. Good job. How about car? Car. Car. You're so smart. Mmm. Are you gonna share? Okay. Can you blow me a kiss? Can you blow me a kiss? Mwah. Very good. Can you wave bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you say night-night? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say see you later. Wave bye-bye. Bye-bye.